Have you ever caught yourself just staring blankly at your computer screen right around 3 p.m., mentally calculating if you could somehow retire in the woods on $5? We've all been there, right? Whether you're grinding away in a traditional 9-to-5 job, running on that completely exhausting treadmill of gig work, or maybe dealing with the stress of unemployment right now, that feeling of being trapped financially or professionally, it's incredibly common. But what if the way out didn't require taking out a massive loan, going back to get a business degree, or quitting your day job cold turkey?
Well, welcome to today's Explainer. Today, we're unpacking a really fascinating source guide called Side Hustle to Success: Mastering Affiliate Marketing. We're going to look at how this highly accessible, super low-risk digital strategy can basically serve as a bridge from exactly where you are right now to a place of a lot more financial freedom and flexibility. So if you've been looking for a way to take back control of your income entirely on your own terms, you are absolutely in the right place. Let's get into it.
Diving right into this source guide, there's this quote by Kevin Kavanagh that immediately jumped out. It says, "Great things in business are never done by one person. They're done by a team of people." And honestly, this perfectly sets the tone for our whole journey today. You see, affiliate marketing isn't just about you shouting into the digital void all by yourself. It's an inherently collaborative business model. You're partnering up with existing brands, connecting with real, actual audiences, and building a network.
Okay, so here's our roadmap for today. First, we'll cover what affiliate marketing actually is. Then, we'll look at the real benefits of this kind of hustle. Third, we'll talk about setting your strategic foundation. Fourth, building your unique brand. And finally, choosing the right program for you.
So part 1, what exactly is affiliate marketing?
At its core, affiliate marketing is a performance-based business model. I like to think of it kind of like being a digital real estate broker. You don't own the house, you just connect the buyer with the seller, and you take a nice little commission for making that introduction. You aren't getting paid a flat hourly rate. Instead, you're earning commissions just by promoting products or services that were created by other companies, and operates purely on that principle of earning money through referrals. And it's such an accessible entry point because, well, you don't have to invent anything new.
Here's the exact mechanism of how this works. Step 1, you share a unique, trackable link that the company gives you. Step 2, someone in your audience clicks on that specific link and decides to make a purchase. And step 3, the system automatically tracks that the sale came directly from you, and boom, you earn a percentage of that sale as your commission. It really literally is that straightforward.
But you know what the absolute best part is? Zero customer service emails. Seriously. You don't need to manufacture a physical product, you don't need to rent warehouse space for inventory, or even deal with the nightmare of shipping. The company you partner with handles all the heavy lifting of product fulfillment. Your one and only job as an affiliate is to act as the ultimate matchmaker, just connecting a specific audience with a product that solves their problem or fulfills their need.
All right, moving on to part 2, the benefits of a hustle.
Imagine being able to trade that typical, rigid 9-to-5 desk setup for working right from your smartphone while sitting on a beach somewhere. Because affiliate marketing offers just unparalleled flexibility. You could allocate just a few hours a week to this side hustle, set your own hours, and work from quite literally anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. It's all about taking back control over your own professional trajectory.
There's an incredibly low barrier to entry here. As we mentioned, no inventory, no physical storefront. You can just leverage tools you likely already use every single day, like social media or maybe a basic website. Second, it really fosters a true sense of entrepreneurship, empowering you to build a business around things you're actually passionate about. And finally, the holy grail, passive income. Once your content, say a well-written blog post or a YouTube video, is live and ranking, it can just keep generating sales and commissions while you are sleeping or while you're busy working your primary job. How cool is that?
Let's transition into part 3, setting your strategic foundation.
The absolute, hands-down, most important first step here is identifying your niche. The source material heavily emphasizes that you really must reflect on your own interests and your own passions. And why is that? Because intrinsic motivation is the only thing that will keep you going when that initial wave of excitement inevitably fades. You need to think about topics that genuinely excite you and specific problems that you are uniquely equipped to solve. For instance, if you're deeply passionate about fitness, your niche shouldn't just be something broad like health. It should be highly specific, like kettlebell training for busy parents who work from home.
But listen, passion alone isn't quite enough. It has to intersect with actual market demand. You have to validate your idea. The text suggests using tools like Google Trends or even just exploring social media forums to see what potential customers are actively searching for right now. And you need to evaluate your competition. Now, seeing competitors out there shouldn't scare you.
Honestly, it's actually proof of concept. It means people are actively spending real money in this space. Your job is just to find a way to differentiate yourself. Maybe you offer a more personalized approach, or bring a unique perspective that the big players are completely missing.
Which brings us to part 4, building your unique brand. Building your brand really rests on 4 key pillars. First up, what is your unique selling proposition or USP? Basically, what makes you different. Next is your visual identity. You want to make it instantly recognizable. Whether someone is reading your blog, scrolling your Instagram, or opening your email newsletter, they should instantly know, oh, this is them. Third, always prioritize value over spam. Don't just push affiliate links out into the void. Write thoughtful articles, film helpful videos, or host webinars that genuinely solve problems for your audience. And finally, engage directly. Reply to those comments and emails. Authenticity and trust are the actual currency of affiliate marketing. At the end of the day, people buy from people they trust.
Now, it might seem a bit counterintuitive to go out and befriend your competition, but the source guide strongly advises doing exactly that. Remember, a rising tide lifts all boats in this industry. Networking with other affiliate marketers and influencers within your specific niche is absolutely crucial. Collaborating with others is just a super powerful way to expose your brand to entirely new audiences, build that vital credibility we just talked about, and share best practices so everybody wins.
Okay, part 5, choosing the right program. This is where it gets real.
When it comes down to how you actually get paid, there are 3 main models, and you really need to choose the one that aligns best with your own strengths. First is pay-per-sale, or PPS. Here, you only earn your commission when a sale is officially finalized. The payouts for this are usually much higher, but it does require some solid sales techniques and a pretty deep understanding of the product. Next up is pay-per-click, or PPC. With this one, you're rewarded simply for generating traffic and sending it over to the merchant's site, regardless of whether or not they actually buy anything. This is fantastic for beginners who are just really great at creating compelling clickable content. And finally, pay-per-lead, or PPL. You get paid when someone signs up for a free trial or maybe fills out an inquiry form. If you excel at prompting your audience to take those small, low-risk actions, PPL is a highly effective model to focus on.
So, as we wrap up these core strategies, the source material leaves us with a very crucial reality check. Look, this is absolutely not a get-rich-quick scheme. Building an online presence takes real time. Consistency, producing high-quality content day in and day out, and crucially, constantly analyzing your performance results to see what's working and what's falling flat, these are your true keys to long-term success. If you treat this side hustle like a real, legitimate business, then over time, it's going to pay you like one.
We've covered a lot today. The what, the why, and the how of starting an affiliate marketing side hustle. You know now that it takes minimal upfront investment, but it definitely requires dedication, some strategic thinking, and a real willingness to learn as you go. The tools are all out there available to you, and the barrier to entry has quite literally never been lower. So the only question remaining to ask yourself today is this: are you ready to take that first actionable step and start paving your very own way to financial freedom?